Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, how have to be? Welcome back friends, my YouTube channel. Hopefully you will be fine. Have you spending good and lavish life? So friend, most welcome. I hope you will be fine. Have you spending good and lavish life? In this video guys, I shared with you new and attractive design ideas, and that are completely different to each other. I hope friends you will enjoy my beautiful and unique ideas that are completely different to each other. In this video I shared with you great ideas, and you will gain different type of thinking information to watching that's beautiful videos which I shared with you in this video. Let's come now and I shared with you beautiful ideas because it's are so beautiful and are fundamental to each other. I hope you will enjoy my beautiful attractive design ideas in this video I shared with you that are completely different to each other. I hope friends you will begin different type
only 2 minutes के लिए बस.
You will gain different type of thinking information to watching that's beautiful and unique ideas that are introduced in this video. I hope friends and you can create
बस 2 मिनट का काम है. क्या कितनी वीडियोस हैं?
different type of thinking information. And you will enjoy my beautiful ideas which I shared with you. Uploading this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that type of thinking knowledge to watching that's beautiful and great ideas because it's are very beautiful and are fundamental to each other. And I hope friends you will enjoy my beautiful and billionaires ideas in this video I shared with you. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel guys. You will increase your level of knowledge to watching my beautiful and great ideas. Thank you so much dear friends to watching this video at the last. Inshallah next time I will meet you with new and great ideas and share with you great and sickening ideas. To take care guys, and next time I will meet you with beautiful ideas. Hopefully friends you will enjoy my beautiful and great ideas in this video because overall appealing ideas in this video I shared with you with your enhanceable choice. I hope you will enjoy that's great design ideas in this video I shared with you.